Hi, in this video, I will show you how I make my own microphone preamplifier. So why do I need a mic preamp? Well, I am using my laptop internal sound card to record audio. However, my laptop internal mic sounds like this. You can hear some white noise. And this is how it sounds like when I connect a stereo electret mic. It is good, but I like the tone of my Samsung Q7 dynamic microphone. And this is how it sounds like when I connect the microphone directly. It is very noisy. And here is my schematic for dynamic mic preamp. In green box on the left is a 20 dB gain differential amplifier to take advantage of balanced SRR output from the mic and convert the signal to unbalanced or single-ended. In orange box on the middle is a second stage inverting amplifier with adjustable gain of up to 27 dB. So the total maximum gain is 47 dB. In purple box on the right is a small decoupling resistor, peak voltage clamp protection diodes, and output AC coupling capacitor. I also include bipolar power supply decoupling capacitors as seen on the bottom, where the circuit is powered by two sets of 4 AA batteries. For now, I only have TL072 op-amps which have a mediocre noise performance. So, an audio-grade op-amps like NE5532, LM4558 or LM833 op-amps should give better results. I also have designed an electret mic preamp, which I use for this video section. The circuit is as simple as I can for more portability and only powered by a single 9V battery. In green box on the left is the mic and resistor divider, which biases both mic and op-amp. In orange box on the middle is a fixed 27 dB gain non-inverting amplifier, while in purple box on the right is again some decoupling resistor, peak voltage clamp diodes, and output capacitors. Electret mic is more sensitive and picks up ambient sound quite a bit. To conclude, this DIY project is fun, useful, and very low-cost solution to get good recording quality. Having a dedicated audio interface to capture sound is much nicer, but for now I don't have the budget yet. Hope the video is helpful. If it did, please like, share, and subscribe. Also do comment below about the circuit I designed, like what improvements should it have. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.